Hello, my name is Jared. My company is My Healthy Food Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to slice an onion. So first, I'm going to slice down the middle. There are many different ways you can do this, but this is the way I like to do it. Then I cut off the roots and the tip. Then I do the same for the other. I like to work neat, so I always have a scrap bowl. Okay, so now we're gonna peel it. Now sometimes if your nails don't work, you can use a knife just to get it going. Sometimes it fights back at you. Alright. It's clean. Now I like to use a cleaver because you can do a lot of different things with it, slice and scoop. There's nothing like a great cocktail in between meals. Yummy. Okay, so here I'm going to start slicing the onion. So you want to lift up the knife like this in a rocking motion. So while I'm doing this motion, you want to keep your fingers curled like this, and then the knife presses against the finger. This is where you don't cut yourself. So I'm going to put the two together. So when you get halfway, it's almost not sturdy, so you want to just tip it down like that. And then you can finish the rest. Sometimes it breaks apart here, so you just want to slice it any way you can just to keep it uniform. And then there's your sliced onions. So right now I'm going to just fluff up the onions to break them apart so you have all of the slices. The onions are ready to be sauteed.